Good evening and welcome to the session number 17 from the chapter of units and measurement. The topic is the plane angle and the solid angle, and we have studied about the plane angle and the solid angle while studying about the system of units in the chapter of units and measurement. So in the system of units, we have studied about the SI system of units. In the SI system of units, there are 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary units. So the 2 supplementary units are the plane angle and the solid angle. So we will be studying about the plane angle and the solid angle in brief in this session. So the first point is the plane angle. So the plane angle is a 2-dimensional angle which is formed by the intersection of 2 lines or 2 planes. So here I have drawn one simple diagram. So here there are 2 lines OA and OB. So the angle formed by the intersection of these 2 lines, that is theta. Theta is the angle which is formed by the intersection of the 2 lines, that is OA and OB. And so this is the plane angle. The unit of the plane angle is radian, and 180 degrees is equal to pi radian. That is, if the angle subtended by the 2 lines of the 2 planes is equal to 180 degree, then it is equal to pi radians. So in this case, if let's say theta is equal to 60 degree, if theta is equal to 60 degree, then the plane angle will be equal to pi upon, the plane angle will be equal to pi upon 180 into 60, so this will be equal to pi by 3 radians. Now the solid angle is the 3-dimensional angle which is formed by 3 or more planes which is meeting at a common point. So it is basically the amount of the field of view, or you can say the amount of the space which is enclosed by a given surface at a given point. So this solid angle is a dimensionless unit and its SI unit is steradian, and this is equal to A upon R square, where A is the surface area and R is the means it is the distance of the point from this surface area at which we are going to measure the solid angle. So let us consider that there is one sphere here. So this is a 3-dimensional figure. It is in the center of the sphere is, say, it is O, and the radius is, say, small r. So in this case, the surface area of this sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So A will be equal to 4 pi r square. And if we want to find the solid angle at the center of the sphere, then the solid angle will be equal to A, that is 4 pi r square divided by r square, where r is the radius of this sphere. And since we have to find the solid angle subtended at the center of this sphere, therefore this formula will be, or we can say the solid angle will be equal to 4 pi r square, which is the surface area of this sphere, divided by r square, where r is the radius of this sphere. So from here we can say that the solid angle subtended at the center of a sphere will be equal to 4 pi. So in the next session, that is in the session number 18, we will be discussing about the solid angles of some common 3-dimensional objects like the sphere, cone, pyramids, etc. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.